Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panther. Today I'm going to show you how to create this optical text in Illustrator. Let's select the type tool, which is located here. Click and type in whatever you want. Press and hold Shift plus Alt, scale it up. I'm going to change the font to Mango. I'm going to select the Mango Grotesque Extra Bold. You can also download this font for free and just Google it and you'll get it there. From here, I'm going to go to Object, Expand, click OK, right click on Group. I'm going to create some lines. It's going to start, I don't know, from where the S is. Like here, it's going to be like this thick. I'm going to create another copy, press and hold Alt, drag it down until they intersect. And select this top one again and press and hold Alt and drag it under here where they intersect. And from here you just need to press long Ctrl D. So now it created a lot of copies. I'm gonna delete this one. I'm gonna select them all, right click group, and I'm gonna select the color for it. I'm gonna go with the blue. I'm gonna create a new copy, press and hold Alt, create a copy. I'm gonna select a red this time. So we have all these letters ungrouped, and I'm gonna press and hold Shift and pull these lines here. And I'm gonna right click on these lines and go to Arrange, Send to Back. So it's gonna go under the letter P. And I'm gonna press and hold Alt, create a new copy of these lines. And now I'm just gonna arrange it where the letter P is. Select both the lines and the letter P, right click and make clipping mask. So I'm gonna create a lot of copies of this and assemble all with every separate letter. And it looks something like this. I'm gonna select all of this, right click, and I'm gonna press Ctrl G to group them. Same thing with this. And now I just need to pull these together. And so far nothing is special around here, but I just need to pull this down until it's gonna be like one blue line and one red line. So this is gonna create this optical illusion kind of situation. So this is how you make an optical typo in Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.